Jai Hind, dear children, welcome. Hope you all have completed the revision of other subjects. Now it's time for mathematics. See children, you are getting enough time to do the revision. In the case of mathematics, how much you are revising each chapter, how much you are practicing by doing problems, that much easiness you will feel while writing exam. Before starting the revision, you should be aware of the question pattern. As you know, the question pattern has changed this year. There are two parts in the question paper. Part A consists of two sections, 16 questions of 1 mark, and there are 4 questions of 4 marks. These 4 mark questions are case study questions. Children, you have to go through the sample question paper to know more about the case study questions. In part B, there are 3 types of questions. 6 questions of 2 marks, 7 questions of 3 marks, and 3 questions of 5 marks. Children, you know there will be internal choices in the question paper. In both part A and part B, you will get internal choices. In 1 mark questions, there will be 5 internal choices. That means out of 16 questions, in 5 questions, you will get OR questions. In each case study questions, there will be 5 sub-questions. You have to attempt any 4 out of these 5 sub-questions. In other sections also you can see internal choices. When you get this type of OR questions, you have to analyze both the questions and decide which one is easy for you. Then you have to start doing. For mathematics, time management is an important factor. So don't waste your time by doing the questions which are difficult for you. As per the sample paper, the chapter-wise marks are given here. You have to give importance for those chapters having more marks. Here we have decided to give a revision of all these chapters in 3 days. So 15 chapters are divided into 3 modules. On the first day we will discuss the chapters real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, circles and probability. On the second day, quadratic equations, arithmetic progression, coordinate geometry, area related to circles and statistics. Then on the final day, we will discuss triangles, introduction to trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry, constructions and surface areas and volumes. We will send the videos including important concept of these chapters of each module on the respective days. So children, study well, prepare well and all the best for your exam. Thank you.